Hey guys, it's Cassie and Merry Christmas. I am doing my annual what I got for Christmas, and as usual, the disclaimer that goes along with this, I'm always extremely grateful for the gifts that really it's my parents or me get me, and the majority of these things I bought myself. And it's stuff that I've bought over the last couple of months that I was like, and my excuse is Christmas. So it is quite an interesting haul that we've got today, but I hope everybody is having a safe, healthy, fabulous festive season. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, then I hope you had a nice weekend. The links to these items will be below, or you can click the shopping prompt on the screen. Shall we jump into it? Okay. Chanel. This is not a bag. Actually, there are no bags in today's haul, which may be surprising, but if you follow the vlogs, you know why. There's some that I'm waiting on. But, so, my parents got me this very cute little, oh, do it the right way, Cassie, come on, go on, you've got one job. This little, oh God, the hair, this is not gonna go well. Okay, commit, ha, there we go. There. Oh my gosh, little Chanel snow bunny, how cute. It is this little faux fur headband that keeps the ears warm. And I have little Chanel fingerless gloves so they match. Very cute, very cozy. As you know, well, if you've been following for a while, if you're a seasoned subscriber, you know that the earmuffs, the Chanel earmuffs were on my list last year, early this year, and for a number of reasons I didn't get around to getting them, so this is perfect. Also, New York, because it is minus 10 degrees Celsius today, so there's that. Right, okay, I saw this at the Webster. If you watched my shopping vlog, then you're not surprised. I'm in my jacket era. I don't know what to tell you. I'm loving a good jacket. I'm like, oh, just top off a look, yes. This Celine track jacket, may we just on the details. Look at that little zip. Are you seeing that? With the little Triumph zip, cute, chic, like this. Just this little gold detail. Oh, I love it, okay? And I thought this is just the perfect casual throw on and go. And it's a really nice weight. It's not too thin. It's not too like thick and bulky. Oh, we just top it on and off we go. Also, I feel just like me at the airport. Just like, yes, waiting for my gate to be called. Cute. I love it. It's fun. It's very me. I love the Celine Triumph print. I don't know what to tell you. She's a logo ho. Also, I feel like she's a very good transitional seasonal piece, which once again, minus 10 degrees, I can't really make much use of at the moment. But as I look forward to the spring, I think she's going to be perfect. Or even, you know, just like a chilly summer night, because they happen. I think this is a great one. Just the gold against the brown and the black. Fantastic. Okay, this I picked up in the Net-a-Porter sale. Oh gosh, it looks like I support Chelsea or something. I don't follow football, okay? But this does look very sort of World Cup chic. This looks very, it does look Chelsea, doesn't it? And neither Man United fan, my dad is Rotherham United or Doncaster Rovers. Neither of which I think are these colours. The thing is that I love the cut of this dress. I'm going to insert a picture of the model wearing it because this is what really sold me. Also, it was on sale and I was like, wonderful, 40% off. David Koma, love, UK designer. Long v-neck, I love a sporty vibe, which is very ironic considering I'm the least sporty person around. Very much not gifted in the physical activity department. Everything I tried, not great. Anyway, I loved the shoulder pads. The sleeves, I like how it sort of nips in and fits on the waist. Also, very stretchy. Comfort. This with a tight and a boot. This with the Valentino Tango platforms. This with a blue little sandal. I feel like, aside from the fact that I do look like an avid football fan, I really like it and it's very comfortable. We are going to change things up. This is very rogue for me, and it may also be very surprising. But for the past 2 years, I've been like, oh, I really want to get myself a pair of these, but I don't really, like, have an excuse. I don't go skiing. But I do now live in New York. Ladies and gentlemen, it's moon boot time. I know some people find them ugly. I know some people have these, like, these and Uggs are interchangeable. I'm not an Ugg girl, but I am a moon boot girl. These are so, like, adorable. I don't know how to explain it to you. I put them on and I felt like the cutest little snow fairy you ever did see. Yes, I went for the gold. They do them in lots of different variations and whatever. I just liked the patent of it. The sizing is weird because it's like 2 sizes in one. So this is a, what are you? This is a UK 6/7.5, a 39/41. I was between the gold or the silver, and much to Nee's dismay, if you've seen my yearly video with him, he probably thinks that these are hideous, but I feel very cute, prancing around. I would just love a dusting of snow, just like if you're going to make it this cold. Snow should honestly be part of the deal because it feels like I'm getting robbed. It feels like I've got the short end of the stick here. Honestly, I might wear these to lunch. We haven't gone to Christmas lunch yet. I'm going to film this and then we're going to go to Christmas lunch and I might just put these on. Oh my gosh, it's like a casual... I love them. If you think that these are ugly and these are like, why have you done this to yourself? I'm sorry, but you don't understand the vision, okay? And this, I love. I absolutely love them. Let's do, oh, okay. In case people are wondering what Nee gets me for Christmas, you would have seen last year, Nee likes to either get me very practical things or experiences because he knows when it comes to things, when are we going to rehab? Never. I see something, I like it. If I like it enough, I buy it. So he's a bit late to the game, let's be honest. So he much prefers to give me like experiences. So I've been going on and on about how I want to go see Moulin Rouge on Broadway and he got us tickets. I'm very excited. So we're doing that. I told you I was in my jacket era, but this is sort of a cardigan. Okay, this is from Kith and this is from Men's. And I was I was actually buying Nee a couple of things for Christmas and I got sidetracked and saw this and I was like, oh my gosh, that's really cute. Maybe I should get it. It is this knitted cardigan that's in collaboration with, is it the Knicks? I should probably know. I think that's the Knicks. It is. It's the New York Knicks. And you've just got the orange detail. New York, Kith and Kim. Kin. Not sure who the kin is. Little orange trim. I got it in a men's size small. And I have visions of this with just like an, oh, I've got it. I've sodding got it. Okay, this black turtleneck, you know, it's a staple of mine. Little pleated skirt, tights, my Prada boots that have the orange detailing. 10 out of 10, fantastic. She just needs to go to a game. Let me just demonstrate here. Cute, right? I just thought that it's very sort of throw on and go. She's excited that she now lives in New York. It's like, you know, New York merch, essentially. We are now down to the final 3. One thing that my parents got me, my big present to myself, and let's do these. You know, I went to Miami for Art Basel, and if you watched the shopping vlogs, you may have been like, what did she buy? Tom Ford. These wedges I've been obsessed with. You know that they're the wedges. Because they are so, like, sculptural and New Year. Shout out to Tom Ford for giving 2 dust bags. Because let me tell you, the brands are stingy these days. Also, very nice, 10 out of 10. The brands are stingy these days. They'll give you 1 dust bag for 2 shoes that doesn't even fit 1 shoe in it. Anyway. Hold on a second, I got 4 dust bags. I'll take it. Right, these are, oh, I got the purple. I was deliberating for ages over whether to get the forest green or the purple. And let me tell you why I got the purple. I don't have any purple shoes. I'm obsessed with these. You're going to have to go a size up if you want these. A full size. I'm usually a 39. I got these in a 40. Don't ask me what they're doing over there. I don't ask the questions. These are just, like, look at that. How interesting that is. It's a little bit of a pointed toe. I can get down with it. And because it's velvet, where your toes go, oh, it's lovely and cushioned. It really is. Very, very comfortable. Lovely little strap up the foot. I really love these. And now I can't wait to wear them. So, very, very happy I got those. They're a very different shoe for me. I like that. I like the weird and wonderful shoes. I like the ones that I'm a bit like, because I've been thinking about the Tom Ford, you know, the disco platforms for a while. But these really were very much like a hook, line and sinker. It's just like a decision of which colour, you know? Okay, fantastic, love. Last gift from my parents. This amazing Fendi jacket. This is like a very, sorry, I need to steam this because the way it's been folded, it needs to, actually no, I just need to hang it for a bit and wait for it to drop, so it's a little bit wrinkly. It's this fantastic reversible Fendi jacket. It's wool. I just think it's one of those pieces that it's a staple for Fendi, like they always have this. And I tried it on properly this last time I was in London, really liked it. I think that this is a size 44, which is maybe a size or two bigger than what I would usually go for, but I really liked, yes, it's a 44. I really like the oversized, you know me, I'm an oversized kind of fit gal. It has a hood, these leather pockets, these sleeves are, you know, like a wide cut, and it's just one of those jackets that it's gonna go with so much. It's a staple for a reason. She's a transitional seasonal piece. She's a winter's on its way out, spring is on its way in. Still a bit of a chill in the air, but doesn't need a puffer jacket kind of vibe. Also, I'm going back to the UK a lot next year for various weddings, and this is one of those pieces that's just like a great UK piece to have. You know what I mean, people in the UK, all right? It's just one of those, when the weather's in between, it's gonna be fantastic. This was my big gift to myself. It's from Shea. Shea is a jewellery brand, and a couple of months ago, a PR company invited me to go and see their new collection at some like absolutely insane penthouse on the Upper East Side. Anyway, and I had a play, and you would have seen that on my Instagram stories. But there was one piece that I tried on, also just like the packaging, and they also had a little sugar fina, like the little gummy bears, but Nee has already helped himself to those, so they're not here to be demonstrated. And there was this ring that I was just like, oh my gosh, it's so me, I love it, I have to. And I kept thinking about it, and I just thought, it's time. Let me show you the sodding ring. Fabulous box. It is this white ceramic Cuban link ring with 3 of the chain links in pave diamonds. Now, they do these in, you could choose white gold, yellow gold, rose gold. I went for yellow gold because this is the one that I saw in person, and I was like, oh my gosh, yes, works for me. Look at that. I also like when they're flexible because my Chanel Ultra ring is like that. So it's very comfortable on the fingers. It fits perfectly here. You know, I told you my vision was for like white ceramic jewellery. And don't you just think she looks great? I am obsessed. Very me. This speaks to my inner rapper with it being a Cuban link. And it's white ceramic. And what do I do with this ring? Because it doesn't fit on any one of my fingers because I'm not blessed like that, right? With fingers of a similar size. So I am either going to sort of like chop and change. I'm thinking about wearing them together. I don't think it looks like the worst. I do sort of like this as a piece for its own, but let's see. Different, it's fabulous. It suits my current ring family. I'm very, very grateful to, you know, be able to get myself these things, and, you know, to, you know, my parents and Nee for buying me great gifts. And so I just want to share. And I do this video every year, so I hope that it's not taken in, you know, like a way, because that's not how we are on this channel. Anyway, have an amazing festive season. If you're off work, enjoy it. If you're not off work, it's always slow, so put on a Netflix in the background. I'm not gonna lie to you, I used to do that podcast, one after the other, right, when it's a slow day. Have an amazing time with friends, with family, by yourself, whatever it is. Do your favourite things during this time. Thank you for sticking with me this year. Hope that you enjoyed this, and Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. I will have a link to another video here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, and in the words of my father,
if you've enjoyed it, tell your friends. If you haven't, keep your mouth shut.
I'll see you on my next one. Mwah. Bye, guys.